Hello everyone, you are welcome in the deep-sync classes and we are studying string in 2 dimension. Our topic is the question is uniform chain or string of length L which can just bear a tension of n times of weight of its weight is stretched between 2 points in the same horizontal line so that the least possible sag in the middle is L into n minus root n square minus 1 upon 4. Right? Solution. That is, we can test its figure. ACB ये यूनिफॉर्म चेन ऑफ लेंथ L L/2 उस एक्स एक्सिस डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एक्सिस हो गई दैट इज C. लेट ACB भी है चेन ऑफ लेंथ L सस्पेंडेड बिटवीन A and B which are horizontal. Parameter was equals to C and sag in the middle is DC. W is the weight per unit length, right? Total weight of the string is capital W equals to W. It is given that tension which can just bear a tension T is tension at point A. According to the question, T equals to N W by A and WL or Y equals to NL. The relation between Y and S, Y square equals to C square plus S square, Y means NL, C square plus L/2 square or C square equals to N square minus 1 upon 4 into L square, C equals to L root N square minus 1 upon 4. Sag DC equals to OD minus OC. OD means YA, OCC. Putting the value of Y and C is NL minus L root N square minus 1 upon 4 or L into N minus root N square minus 1 upon 4. Again we repeat it that is ACBA string of length L suspended between 2 points A and B. C is lowest point and seg DC we find out, seg to be find out. W is the weight per unit length, total weight of the string or chain is capital W means WL. W, small w is the weight per unit length, therefore total weight of this string denoted by capital W equals to W into length L. TA, let TA is the tension at point A, given that it is given tension at A equals to n times of its weight. T equals W by A, W equals WL and solving y equals to NL, and applying this formula y a square equals c square plus s square, and we can find out C. The sec DC equals to OD minus OC, OD means YA, OCC. Putting these values we can obtain the required solution of this question.